Hello everyone, we are from Group 6. We'll begin our discussion about problems and challenges in the Indonesian fisheries sector.
The fisheries sector has the largest fisheries production potential in the world. The fisheries sector has the largest fisheries production potential in the world, but still faces a number of problems and challenges in its use. Between others, mostly fishing business, aquaculture, product processing fisheries, and trade in fishery products in Indonesia is still carried out on an ongoing basis traditional and small and micro-scale business. As a result, the resource utilization rate, fish power, productivity, and efficiency of fisheries business in Indonesia in general very low. Another problem is that most Indonesian fishing business have not implemented its integrated supply chain management system, which includes the production, post, harvest industry, marketing subsystem. As a result, fishermen and cultivators have no certainty of market continuity for fish commodity. The supply of raw materials for downstream industry is not guaranteed, and business risks are high. In addition, the size of the business unit for capture fisheries, aquaculture, processing of fishery products, and trade in fishery products, for the most part, still do not meet the economy of scale. Finally, profit net or income is always less than $300. No wonder if the poverty level of fishermen and other business actors is still high and contribute for the economy, which can be seen by gross domestic product, export value, tax, non-tax tax revenue, as well as original regional income still very low.
Judging from the aquaculture sector, the majority of fish farmers in Indonesia still not implementing best aquaculture practice (BAP) or fish cultivation methods best. So, disease outbreaks often occur which cause failure harvests. As for fish meal or fish flour, which has been a mainstay as source of protein for the supply of quality fish feed, which has also been increasingly limited, resulting in price continuing to rise. In fact, around 60% of business costs aquaculture for fish feed. It is also worth paying attention to its limited supply of broodstock and superior quality seeds, SPF, SPR, and fast growing. In fact, seed determines 50% of the success of a cultivation business. Meanwhile, in the processing sector, currently the location of the processing industry factory is fishery products are generally located far from production centers, both arrest and cultivation fish commodities. In addition, there has been no collaboration between industrial units processing of fishery products with fish commodity producers, farmers, and fishermen. Thus, certainty and continuity of supply of raw fish commodities materials to fish processing factories becomes low.
The fishery product processing industry in Indonesia is also still struggling with its shortcomings application of innovation in food products and fish packaging. Even though this can be done, the selling value is getting higher. On the other hand, commodity and product marketing capabilities Indonesia processed fish is still inferior to competitors in countries such as Thailand, Vietnam, and China. Another problem that still surrounds the fisheries sector is that Indonesia is still a country that profits high loan interest, namely 9.5%. Compare this with several Asian countries such as Vietnam 7.6%, the Philippines 7.1%, Brunei Darussalam 5.5%, Singapore 5.3%, Malaysia 3.9%, and Thailand 3.3%. As a result, fishermen of perpetrators become dependent. Fishing business activity against loan shark and loan shark is still very high. Many fishermen end up getting into debt with loan shark with very high interest rates hike around 5 to 10% per month. Plus the literacy level on fishermen regarding very low financial management, where their financial condition is always the bag is bigger than the pole. This is one of the causes of many fishermen continue to be entangled is structural poverty.
As a result of poverty, most Indonesian fishermen live in residential area settlements that are unhealthy and far from hygienic. They are also susceptible to diseases, eye, skin, and waterborne diseases. The nutritional intake of family food fishermen are less healthy and less balanced. In the food they consume lots of rice and fish, but very little fruit and vegetables. The prevalence of the disease high, which can reduce fishermen productivity and increase expenditure their household. Indonesia fisheries sector is also still grappling with regional management condition fishery. This condition can be seen from the existence of several water areas overfishing and underfishing. Not to mention the problem of pollution and physical degradation of the ecosystem, cuts, leaks and rivers, and other environmental damage, accidents and robberies in the sea, climate change resulting in an increase in temperature and sea level, extreme weather, acidification of waters, tsunami, and other natural disasters.